Okay, the drink we're about to make is called the Frad. Go ahead and fill up a glass with ice and measure out 1 ounce of coconut rum and 1 ounce of peach schnapps. Next, we'll add 2 ounces of lemon lime soda and 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And let's go ahead and just pour it back and forth in your shaker a couple times. That'll get it mixed up. And pour it back in. Add a straw. And you can garnish it with an orange. That is the Frad, a nice fruity cocktail to enjoy beachside or poolside or just bar side anywhere in the world. Bottoms up.